What is the use of Spotify app? Now, first of all, Spotify app is a digital music, podcast, and video streaming service that allows users to listen to music, listen to podcasts, audiobooks, get recommendations, save mobile data, and also download music. Those are simply some of the reasons why you might think that the app might be better. There is also the website version if you use mostly on iPad computers, but it will not allow you to download it on the website because the data is not stored by Spotify itself. It will be stored by your browser. So on the app, the data will be stored within the Spotify application. So you can also choose to download songs if you have got premium. If you don't have premium, it doesn't really much of a difference. Browser might just be better for you whether you're on mobile or computer. But if you have premium, then the app might be a better option because you can also choose to download the songs so that whenever also you're not connected to the internet, you will be able to listen to them. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.